Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class. And students, just look, today's topic is SPB page number 9 to 14. Students, SPB, that means Spelling Practice Book. Okay, that means today we will learn page number 9 to 14 from the book Spelling Practice Book. So let's start our class. This is at first page number 9. Just look, this is F. F for fan, F-A-N, fan. Fox, F-O-X, fox. F-L-A-G, flag. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-R-O-G, frog. And F-I-S-H, fish. Just look, there are 3 pictures in each page and we have to write the names of that picture under the picture. At first, just look, this is the first picture. What is this? This is fish. So write here fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Students, you can color the pictures. And the next picture, what is this? This is the picture of a flag. F-L-A-G, flag. This is the picture of a flag. And what is this? This is the picture of a frog. F-R-O-G. This is the picture of a frog. So here we have learned fish, flag and frog. Now the next one. Just look here. G. G for what? G for gate. G-A-T-E, gate. G-O-A-T, goat. G-U-N, gun. G-I-R-L, girl. G-R-A-P-E, grape. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. So just look here, what is the first picture? This is the picture of grape. G-R-A-P-E, grape. And what is this? This is the picture of a girl. G-I-R-L, girl. And this is the picture of a gun. G-U-N, gun. So here G for grape, girl, gun. Now the next page number 11 is H. H for hat, H-A-T, hat. Here, H-A-I-R, here. H-E-N, hen. H-I-L-L, hill. H-O-U-S-E, house. And H-O-R-S-E, horse. So, look at the first picture. What is this? This is the picture of a hat. H-A-T, hat. And the next picture, what is this? This is the picture of a house. H-O-U-S-E, house. And this is the picture of hill. H-I-L-L, hill. So, your H for hat, house, hill. Now the next page number 12. I. I for what? I for ice. I-C-E, ice. I-R-O-N, iron. I-G-L-W, igloo. I-N-K, P-O-T, ink pot. Insect. I-N-S-E-C-T, sect, insect. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. So just look, the first picture, what is this? This is the picture of an ice cream. So right here, ice cream. I-C-E, ice cream. C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Now the next one, what is this? This is the picture of an insect. I-N-N-S-E-C-T, insect. So this is the picture of an insect. And the next one, what is this? This is the picture of igloo. Sorry, it will be I-G-L-O, igloo. Okay students, this is the picture of igloo. Students, it is I. Okay, IGLW, igloo. So I for ice cream, insect, igloo. Now the next one, just look here. This is J. J for what? J for jam. JAM, jam. JEEP, jeep. JUG, jug. JACKET, jacket. JUICE, juice. And joker, JOKER, joker. So at first, the first picture, what is this? This is the picture of a jacket. JACKET, jacket. And what is this? This is the picture of a jug. And this is the picture of jeep. JEEP, jeep. Now the next one. What is this? This is K. K for what? Kangaroo. KANGAROO, kangaroo. This is the picture of a kangaroo. Key, KEY, key. KITE, kite. KING, king. KNIFE, knife. KETTLA, kettle. So at first, what is this? Kangaroo. KANGAROO, kangaroo. Kangaroo. This is the picture of a kangaroo. This is, what is this? This is the picture of a king. KING, king. And the last one, what is this? This is the picture of a kite. KITE, kite. Okay students, that means today we have learned page number 9 to 14. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.